And I said, all right, all right. Oh, look at that. We have visitors, guys. We have visitors at the ocean. Two of them. You too, I hate Rose. Have a wonderful day. Have a great weekend. How about that? So, anyway, the robot name was Aria, and it says, please help Aria cross the street because Aria doesn't know how to press the stoplight. So I said, okay, let me press it for her. So I was like, come, Aria, come, run across the road, Aria, come. And I was running with the robot. This is really, though, guys. They have robots that do delivery now. They have the self-driving cars that pick you up for a taxi, and they have restaurants where the robots serve you. There's no humans in the restaurants. Yeah, they do. I'm gonna go to the restaurant and show you guys. This is real stuff. But it's hilarious. I was like, come, Aria, come. Hurry up and cross the road. Hurry up, Aria. You should see me talking to the robot. And the